Two Luxembourgish brothers, one a national rugby player, have been arrested in Calabria after a 34-year-old man died following an altercation outside a nightclub. Hello, I'm Sasha for RTL Today and RTL Today Radio, and here are the 5 news stories that we think you shouldn't miss at the end of this week. Luxembourg witnessed its most spectacular solar eclipse in 27 years on Wednesday, with around 90% of the sun obscured. It was the most significant solar eclipse seen in the Grand Duchy since 1999. The Association of Doctors and Dentists says it won't sign a new agreement with the National Health Fund, the CNS. Health Minister Martine Deprez says she's surprised by the move, as mediation is still ongoing. The death toll from Monday's 7.4 magnitude earthquake in Colombia has risen to 273, with more than 3,500 people injured and almost 500 still missing. The new president has declared an economic emergency and 3 days of national mourning. Japan has lodged a formal protest after Vladimir Putin made his first ever visit to the Kuril Islands. The islands have long been a flashpoint between the two countries. The weekly recap is out every Friday. Check it out on rtltoday.lu alongside all your other news, information, sports, weather and what's on in Luxembourg this August weekend.